Ready? Start. All old service rules, prescribed conditions of appointment to posts and of service of persons appointed thereto full stop. Same position continues under the new system because no one can be appointed to civil service without a post with full stop. The Act, IBID, and rules framed thereunder deal primarily with conditions of appointment to posts either isolated or as part of grade, cadres or services and scandarly with conditions of service of persons appointed thereto full stop. The new functional unit being created in place of old care on the basis of job descriptions will also comprise posts in various grades full stop methods of recruitment and qualification etc will be prescribed separately for posts in each grade in a functional unit full stop. There is therefore no scope for appointment by promotion to a grade without posts with under the old rules or the new rules already notified or being famed for various functional units as said above full stop. No appointment by the method of promotion or otherwise can be made to a national scale of pay even if called a grade for a simple reason that appointment has to be made against a post as otherwise there will be no valid agreement full stop. It is by virtue of appointment to a post that person concerned is completed and such person becomes entitled to the terms and conditions of service full stop. There is no such thing as promotion to a scale or grade full stop. Such phraseology suggests as if promotion connotes raise in pay and status only full stop. This is not correct full stop. As said above, promotion is made method of recruitment to a post and raise in pay and status is an incidence of appointment by this method to a higher post full stop. A person can be appointed to a grade provided there are distinct posts in a grade and there is a vacancy full stop. The word grade is used instead of post when it is not convenient to name a post in the grade or when the grade consists of posts of equal level with different nomenclatures as for examples in the case of former CSP or PCS in no case, however, can a person be appointed to an empty grade, i.e., a mere scale of pay or a grade without specified posts of the same level, full stop. If this principle is violated, phenomena like personal inflation will occur, i.e., there will be appointees to a grade without posts, full stop. It is to avoid such a situation that the definition of grade given in the rules wide Punjab civil servants change in nomenclature of services and abolition of classes rules, 1974 does not recognize movement to the next higher scale, full stop. Extension cases are sometimes received without the requisite data in the performer prescribed by the Commission for this purpose, full stop. The Commission is unable to process extension cases properly without this data, full stop. The result in further correspondence with the departments and delays the case unnecessarily, full stop. Therefore, the administrative departments must send extension cases along with the prescribed pro forma, full stop. Further, the entries in the pro forma must be carefully checked and the pro forma must be carefully checked and the pro forma must be signed by the appointing authority or someone duly authorized in this behalf, full stop. You are requested to please ensure that the requirements of law and the procedure laid down by the Commission are strictly observed in future, full stop. It may be appointed to that ad hoc appointments automatically terminate after the permission period and the appointing authorities become personally liable to pay salary to the ad hoc appointees continued beyond the authorized period, full stop.